Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is healthy and safe. In this video, I would like to show you some of the herb drying techniques that I use and a new product that helps with this, as well as show you some of the herbs that I am growing in my garden. Hi, it's Dulce, the Traveling Herbalista. We have 2 mints here, feverfew, oregano, and yarrow. If I'm not using the herbs fresh, I tie them up, make a little loop, and I hang them up inside in a well-ventilated, dry area. Pretty tight so they don't fall out while they're hanging. And then I just make a little loop, and that way I can hang it up. I try not to put more than 8 leaf stalks at a time so that they have good airflow when they're drying and mildew doesn't develop. I've never had an issue with mildew, but it depends on the humidity in your home and so forth, or where you have it drying. And then I'll label them so that other people know what it is when it's drying. I put the herbs in a jar. It's cool because, is it car or cur? I don't know how they pronounce it, but come up with these little baskets that you put inside, and then it's got like an absorbent humidity regulator. So this is cool because this will take any moisture that's left. Although I dried them up to dry, there's still probably some moisture in the herbs. So this will keep them from getting mildew and so forth. So pretty cool. There's 3 baskets in there and 10 of the boost humidity regulators. Pretty neat stuff. I'll put a link below to Amazon if you'd like to get your own. I do sell dry herbs and soon seeds. So if you're interested, I'll put a link down below. Here in this area we have catnip, plenty of it. It's great for fevers and stomach viruses and so forth. Basil, lemon balm. Got some wild lettuce growing there wild. Great for pain. And here is all of our lavender. It smells so good. Wish you could smell it. Some more catnip. Got some echinacea there on the ground, and I also have echinacea growing here in this pot. Carolina Falls dandelion. Have some cedar trees growing here, which I'll be moving. Very excited about that. We have rosemary, oregano, thyme and oregano, mugwort, sage, different peppermints, more sage, anise, some goldenrod coming up. Over there we have yarrow and feverfew. Got some more goldenrod coming up. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it to be notified next time a video is posted. Thank you for watching and continue exploring.